Our, you know, like the last part of that. I saw you anybody who will not vote for, so we put them up. You see how they make them out just sketch diarrhea. So talk to me now. Up here quiet, man. Everybody turn Catholic. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Sorry, my bad. It look like him locked. Let her pull him.
You know what? Pick me up at 7:30.
8 o'clock, me not get up out of my bed so early. You're not cute. Outside, I'm like, don't run them serious joke with my bed. And I credit my bed, I debit that. Yes, you understand, though, no go like my tongue alone and no government. When I couldn't tell me, say, that make full of so much attitude. You mean I get the blind and I see the woman come, my friend, I can't stand people. Please, me, I beg you. And I used to my eye just one. And I answer, what should they? Come in, prostitute. Come in. Make yourself comfortable in everybody's house. Come in, man. Yeah. Lord, what's a drill idea? My friend, you know him long time. If you know him long time, what make you have to dress up so? In an old man pearl and painted bag. You buy the wrong bag, though, because stone catches not milk pan.
Behave yourself.
I know, sister, storm time now. Where you going lightning catcher? Turn around, every now and then I get a little bit.
Mr. Jones, what in God's name is that you have inside here? Good gosh, man.
You know, Doc, I can't answer that for you now. Believe me, I left here and I've said to Thelma, find me a driver. Would you believe that is what picked me up at the airport?
That's your driver?
Believe it or not.
Oh, good.
But that's not the irony, you know, because I was coming back all excited, you know, because when I called her, you guys said you found that girl to have the baby. I was just so excited, man.
Oh, yes. We found a girl okay to have your child, but I tried to get you back on the phone, but you wouldn't answer your phone.
No. I said I lost the phone, but I'm not worried about that. No, I just want to meet the girl.
Oh, she's here.
She's here?
Let me get her phone.
No. If she's here, that's Thelma's job now, man. Don't worry yourself. Thelma?
Yes, hon?
Thelma! What is wrong with this woman, man?
Honey, you're home?
Yes. Wait, but where is the girl?
She's here. You haven't seen her?
You go get her, no, man. Hurry up now, Thelma.
And maybe she's right down, you know, taking a 5 minutes or two. Taking a 5 minutes or two.
Honey, you know she's not in her room, but I'll check the garden for you.
No, don't worry yourself. If she's in the garden, I'll go get her. You know I like surprises already. Don't worry yourself. I'll deal with it.
Oh my... No! Where do you think you're going? Just have a seat.
Thelma, what is...
I don't hear it.
Thelma? Thelma, there's somebody out here, man. All that's in the garden is a goat. funny, you know, because I've never seen a goat eat a cherry tree. Hey, show! I said, show! Show, man! I said, show me rot in the summer. No, man! No! No! No, man! No!
Man! You know, say me check say your wife did call you everything sort out already.
Sort out? There's only one thing to be sorted out, you see, and that is your bus way back to wherever you come from.
Hey, Mr. Can't breed nobody. Hey, you know what say? Me did your country and live me humble life. And me never tell nobody. Say me want breed fee. Nobody. Say you see if you don't want me in your yard, pay me up. Pay me up and me go country. Oh.
You must be Hey, you! Don't go away. Come in. What am I paying her for? No. I said, what the hell am I paying her for?
What you mean what you paying me for? Me listen to actual daytime, you know. I mean, no say, anyhow you not pay me money, me can sue you for breach of contract.
You go sue me. Sue me. Hey, sort this out. Sort it hell out.
Sita, what is wrong with you? You can't talk about lawsuit right now. You have no money.
Look here, we might not have money, but you're a liar out there when we take me case per percentage. Wait, why not bother me for? Look for me good, no, look for me good. Me look like Abe Dabdum.
Back the phone.
I'm sorry about that.
No. I don't want to apologize for me.
Just understand.
No. I'm not understanding nothing. You need to understand it. No. I need to express myself clearly, you know that. Because, I mean, I am totally dissatisfied with your choice for this unfortunate arrangement, you know. I mean, you took all that money from me. You went all the way to the country, and you came back with the bottom of the barrel.
She's no bottom of no barrel. Good girl.
Mr. Jones, as much as me look so, if them pack me up in a last bottom of one barrel, mother want you pant up.
No.
Hey, listen to me. Deal with this, deal with it, because if I deal with it, you're not going to like it,
Okay, let me speak with her. Just let me speak with her. What in God's name is wrong with you, woman?
You see me trouble him.
Mr. Jones, I'm sorry about this. This has never happened. I'm sorry.
Dr. First.
I'm sorry.
Dr. First! I'm going to implore you, to please extricate this imbecile from within my domain. Post haste!
Yeah, man, I saw you go on. But you don't want me to understand when you say you chat foolishly.
No.
Now, if it's a nine of me, I got me out.
Besito?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not going anywhere.
What?
Will you allow this thing to work and stop behaving like an idiot?
I'm an idiot.
This is not a political platform, so don't bother with the foolishness.
After all that just happening here, I am an idiot.
Nothing is wrong with Delsita. Behind all of that, she's actually a wonderful girl.
Oh, yes. Behind all of that, you know. She's really a wonderful girl.
Oh, Mr. Jones. I can't even get to look behind all of that.
You know something, Emma? You don't seem to realize, that this is making a mockery of who I am in this country. How am I going to be expected to run my constituency? I better yet the country if I can't even run my own yard.
But I'm going to ample time in your son, I must don't know. God no. Randy, you ready? Ow. You catch him. Saying about the girl where I take.
What's girl?
One shot black girl, man. You know about her? What do you mean, man? You're going to get man an angel. You're not sent from ever, you know? Huh? You know about her? PR.
It is because of pressure from you we have gotten this far. We need to decide here and now. Are we going to do this?
Yes. We need to decide here and now. Are we going to do this, yes or not?
How can I nasty this going up here? No, man, me get 12 in mathematics, so let me sum up this. 1 sum, 2 sum, ultra down here, bad na blow!
Look at what has happened in Westerly, North South New Kingston. Jones is ahead by 70 votes. What a turnaround. Now we might as well call this one. Randy Jones is going to win the South East St. Andrew seat for his party.
No, hold on. Let us not call it yet. Shit!
You cannot say that on radio.
I'm sorry. The Broadcasting Commission is going to make a meal of this one. I'm so sorry. I think Jones is going to lose after all. This guy came into politics clean as a whistle, no bad press about him, no corruption. He seems almost too clean to be a politician.
I guess that's why he's going to lose. Now this guy came out of nowhere and gave the incumbent a solid run for his money. His efforts is going down the toilet. He campaigned on strong family values and clean politics. He runs a very successful engineering firm. He seems to be well prepared for politics, but will now have to wait for another 4 to 5 years. He was a good opposition spokesman on agriculture though.
Hold on. Look over there in the right column. He is a story of a comeback kid. This guy Jones is going nowhere. It seems from what we're seeing here that he has won the election by 22 votes.
22 votes? This one is heading straight to the courts. Jones has won the constituency by only 22 votes.
They stuff your box, good man. You see? Your MP now, you know? Oh, God, Amy, happy for you, you know? Oh, God. They wouldn't understand. You can imagine me baby father Then now when you come out compose like double blank suffer. Our TV in your room now, you don't realize? He look like he don't see. You don't see? Me baby father win.
Excuse me?
Oh, it was we baby father win.
Tell me we won.
Congratulations.
Tell me I'm going to
darling.
be an MP, you know? Yes. Tell me we can fly for here Jamaica free now. Hey.
I think we should go get ready, you know.
Yeah, man, we have to go down the party headquarters. Hurry up, tell me.
All right.
Tell me, hurry up, man.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, man. We know say win. What are we know say win? We happy something. Who you talk to? Oh, me and baby mother. Yeah, and he upstairs with his wife. It's one we live here, man, but we cool like cucumber. Mr. Jones,
Yes, girl, sweetheart.
Rose said I said, he Prime Minister, he MP them, and everybody who will vote for you, so that they must go down like party day in that water.
Hello. Oh, hi, Rose. Yes, man. Happy? Oh, God, man. Yes. Good. No, man, we're just getting ready to come down here. Hey. Yes. Yes, man. Oh, God, yes. Good. Hey. Oh, yeah. What? Pregnant for who? You're mad, man. Hey, listen to me. You see, if you're pregnant, try to get rid of it, because I can't do no crosses now. I'm hardly. Hey, sometimes I tell you, you need to learn how to read between the lines, you know, man. I said I talk to you later.
Hey, hardly. Read between the lines, I talk to you later. You think me a damn fool. Hi, listen me. Why every time I come inside here and you depend on the phone, the conversation come to an end? Is it a coincidence? Or are you hiding something from your daughter? How you may chat back to me, you worthless boy. You hiding something? I'm going to buck out your backside.
James, you know what, the last time I checked, I was still the one at this house. So if I want to hide anything in here, you see, that is still my damn business. I want you to remember that. Just damn out of order, man.
Aye. Worthless boy. Listen me. Me I go chat to you. I'm going to hear this. Half of this house belongs to my daughter. So if you're hiding things, make sure you hide not for your half.
And you know, James, there was actually a point in time when I had some respect for you. But what you don't realize, you know, is that that respect disappeared a long, long time ago. It's only a pity you never disappear with it.
I noticed you won't face me face to face. Well, all right. I go and face you face to face. I don't know how you get in politics. But you squeeze yourself in. You know why you can't get anything done in this country properly? Because you don't take time off to do things properly. I take time off to breed my wife properly. That you can have a wife properly. You must take time off to breed your wife properly. That I can get one picnic properly. Time to look for me. Am I just jam your damn face properly? Of course.
Honey, what is taking so long? Huh? Oh, Daddy, you're home?
Hey.
Did you hear that Ronnie won?
Yes, the bitch stuffing box properly. You heard that the Prime Minister lose? And I hear me vote for. I tell man, I slung pan 2 bags of stuff. I don't know where I stuff say, but I stuff too. One little worthless boy come kick me off of the box and take them away. But I should have catch him. Or I walk a kick on them backside properly. I don't know. I'll go catch a lay down. Thank you.
You alright?
Yeah, man, I'm good. Yeah, man, I'm okay, I'm okay.
Sure. You know, I think I should call Rose. I want to make sure that everything is in good working order before we get down to party headquarters, you know. What is wrong with you?
What do you mean, what is wrong with that? I don't understand you. All through the campaign, you kept saying that I had no time for you. Well, campaign done. Your time now.
Really?
Uh-huh.
So why you can't call Rose?
Because we don't have no time for Rose, no.
So you mean...
Uh-huh. So if I was you, I'd go upstairs and prepare myself because I'm coming up there to deal with you properly. All right, back to business now. I know, I really should have go up there. Yes, I'm going up there to deal with this thing properly.
Why? Win! Raise up here! Politics next! We win! We win! We win! Come on, Jackson! You don't know, so we win. You're not even in your house. Yeah, man, put on your winning smile. Ray, lad. What a way to eat them colorful.
You know, driver, this has been a memorable day, man.
And me for tell you about it. You want to the amount of box that when me run with that you for talk about. I never know set thief in my blood until today. And then my old man with him bright self about himself and 2 bucks. I said, why you do? Come on for that politics time. Outside and bright.
You know, personally, you know, I have to give you thanks, you know.
Thanks alone, now go do, you know. Cause one kick on my shoe sketch double joint, watch out.
But you know, I never realized, you know, that there was so much protocol associated with politics, you know. Did you know that for you to be employed in the government service, you have to be a member of the civil service? Did you know that?
No, not a lie, you still a preach your body, man.
No, man, but as I learn about it, I have to share the knowledge, you know. Because what I realized...
Hello, I'm going to beg you hurry up, my earring I done.
No, man, what I've learned is the driver. What I've learned, you see with my elevation to the status as MP, I realize now that there's already a driver assigned to me via the civil service. So, unfortunately, you won't be able to drive for me anymore. But don't worry yourself, Lorna. I've already spoken to the guys at the carpool and they're working on something for you. So you won't be left in the cold.
I tell.
No, man, it's a protocol.
How for protocol?
It's a civil service, but...
So I'm not civil.
No, driver, that's not it, you know. It's not a personal thing, though, you know. You know, if it was up to me, the job would be yours. But unfortunately, we have to abide by the government guidelines. You understand?
So what you saying?
Well, I'm saying that, unfortunately, I can't do nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing. No, that's basically it. I can't, my hands are tied. But you understand, right? You sure you understand? No, I can't, but I need to make sure that you understand what I'm saying to you because we can't afford to have disgruntled people running around the place. You understand what I'm saying? No. But driver, look at me and talk to me, man. Listen, the reason why this has... Driver, isn't that my phone?
You know me can't buy BlackBerry.
So how did you come by it?
Don't tell a lie upon me. You see my teeth, nothing?
No. I never accuse you of anything, and quite frankly, I'm happy to...
Hey, and that's how this thing work. You move up now, leave this behind in remembrance of Ronnie Jones.
You know something, driver? I refuse to believe that you of all people would attempt to extort me, you know, man.
What a big word you drop on little me. You see me look at the dictionary?
Driver.
John, every time I look on this, I remember my 3 girls picking them hungry.
No. Driver, you don't have to worry about your girls, you know, man, because the moment I won this election, you see, I said to myself, if I do nothing else as an MP, I have to get drivers 3 girls from the country and into a proper school in the city. I was really just waiting on you to tell me what school you wanted them to go to.
Calabar.
Calabar? All right, if you say so.
I'm on a new vehicle. Me know nothing too dear and too fancy. I want something calm and simple.
All right, we had some Nissan Sunnies in the campaign. We must be able to get you one of those.
Who you getting Nissan? You see me look sunny? Give me my father drive. You're too mean.
No, my mother, last time I checked, my father was driving a Range Rover.
You're welcome.
All right. We seem to have an understanding now, right, driver? So just hand over the phone and I will pretend that none of this ever happened.
No, man, you're all on there.
No, but you can't go in the phone.
Hello?
Driver, listen.
Oh, Jesus, no. Hey, man, you're not blind me.
Driver.
I want to see how you eat and it looks like you can't down.
Driver.
How will you do with your mouth?
Driver.
Oh, DJ Trevor! Let me off of me! Let me off of me!
Driver, listen, you can't be doing this.
No, man. Look how long me I drive for you. Woman can never tell me say your tongue no karate. Jesus. Watch your tongue in there, man.
Driver.
I'm not telling a lie. You're the only man can get Trevor run for your money.
Driver.
Hey, you know your tongue big like a beach towel.
Driver.
I'm not all you want is 2 ATM machines for just swipe.
Driver. Listen to me, no man.
Yeah.
All of that is private and confidential. You can't afford to let it out. Give me the phone.
You mad? You know something have no cable, no DVD. Me for go and keep me eye occupied. You come swipe. Oh Lord, all if your Prime Minister ever see this film, that's say, not in my cabinet. Hey, that's why not good for drink, but you can't pronounce it.
Trevor, why are you sitting on the floor? Come on over here and sit beside me.
Tom junk, but Tom no fool. Your husband said we never pass the line, Delilah. You must not see something here just a come.
Driver, my husband is not here. So you are free to come and go whenever you like.
Hi, you don't pull me, man. Man, you send off the alarm. After all, you know your man stay ready. Holy Ghost. Blessed assurance. Rock of ages. You can't tickle his sheep, man. Stop it.
So you like it?
Hey, you top right there, so.
But Robert, I just find you so attractive. And you know, that is why I find it so hard to keep my hands off you. I just think that you're so precise and accurate.
The calculator always give the correct figure.
You know, it's kind of hot in here. Can I take your shirt off?
Man, you make catch new money and you can't want pee, man.
So can I get you something to drink?
What you have?
I have some Hennessy.
Give me it with syrup.
So driver, do you have a girlfriend?
Eh?
Do you have a girlfriend?
One beautiful girl. She did enter Miss World one time and them send her back home because of grudge. Yeah. The judges say fear beauty, them can't understand it, they have no security code. Give me more, me tell you rest. And that tastes like it's so spoiled, so throw a whole heap.
So do you have any children? Driver?
Eh?
Do you have any kids?
250. And me I work when I eat like orange.
3 kids?
Mm-hmm.
At such a young age?
You gotta believe it.
You know, you must be quite a guy.
Mm-hmm.
So driver, have you ever cheated on your girlfriend? Driver? So, driver, have you ever cheated on your girl?
Not yet. Me feel like me dey on one farm. You got milk?
You know, you're so funny. But I have something to show you.
Wait there.
It's upstairs.
Lord Jesus, you can't come down.
No, man, I want to show you to you personally. You don't want to see?
Mama's come.
She's crying and dying. She needs some proper love. She's crying and dying. She needs somebody to love.
Awina. 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 Thelma.
James. James.
How that?
I am your creator.
God? God, how are you doing now?
I come for you, James. It's time to go home.
God, me not ready yet. Take my son-in-law. God, me can't talk to you.
Go on your knees, you miserable blind man.
God. You know, say, I know me want to lie do. You see all the woman them outside and me, you see? You forgive me?
Yes, James, continue.
Oh yes, I can feel the Spirit moves over me. God, you said thou shalt not kill. Me can't kill my son-in-law myself. You can poison him for me? God, I gotta tell you something. You know say my son-in-law have an ex-woman pregnant? Yes. Yes. And my poor daughter don't know nothing. Me hear my tell somebody on the phone. Yes, God. You hear me?
Daddy? Daddy, what are you doing on the floor?
You don't see me and God talk.
Get up, get up.
Thelma. There's same thing to tell you. But what me tell you, me no want your vex. Don't matter what, don't vex. Even if it burn you, don't vex.
What is it, Daddy?
Promise me, you're not vex. You know, say your husband have an ex-woman pregnant, and I miss say you know. Thank you.
So that is what you want to tell me? I know all about that.
Say you're not vex. Boy, how can I get this? We have burned on girls so what this boy already, man? You said me about do that to your few mama when she was alive? Would have to run away.
Daddy, will you relax?
What do you mean?
That is Delcita. She'll be having a baby for me.
Delcita, I have picnic for you. You know, say for your mama never ask somebody for breed for her, she breed for herself. Tell me, breed for yourself, you too damn. What this?
So tell me something, Delcita. How are you feeling?
You know, say me alright? Me alright, man. I one thing about me balance some money.
You get your money, man. Don't worry about that.
So where you give me balance in the US or Jamaica?
Jamaican dollars.
I'm mad, you mad? Because when me I left country, pack up everything, tell them say me gone to New York.
You get your money. You get your money in US dollars.
All right, okay. Thank you.
I have one last check I want to do for you, so I want you to sit up and take a deep breath for me. Come on, just sit. There's nothing gonna hurt you, you know. Let's take a deep breath now. Come on, slowly. Slowly, Delsita. Come on again. Another one. Tell me something, Delsita. You have twins running in your family?
No, man. You see twin in me eye?
Oh, come on, man. Listen, let's keep this little information to ourselves, okay?
Everything all right?
Oh, yes, everything is fine. Everything is okay. Okay.
Hello, China. How you doing? Me fine. How are you? How you beating them? Your friend say mom didn't see me? Where your friend live? Talk about New York. Oh, him live up. Well, me live at the back. Where with me, man? I using the same phone number because I roam around. Alright, go Western Union tomorrow. Kiss the picture them.
You handled yourself quite nicely there, Delsita.
I'll do myself. Driver kill me backside.
I want to ask you a question or two. You remember the first time I came to visit you from the country?
Yeah.
I gave you some tablets to increase your fertility.
Yeah.
Can you recall at any time at all having sex?
No come with it. You tell me, say, no have sex, and me never have it. I balance some money you know want give me.
No, let's just keep this little information to ourselves. Everything is okay.
Hello, D. What the way you are called Anthony? Yeah, me just come out from 1-6 train and we gonna take a subway to Manhattan now. Dalamina sick? People, Jesus, Dalamina sick. Because you are Dalamina sick. No, take a kibeli, make me go.
That's it. You can't. I'll work something out.
Your mother,
I'll work something out.
I'm picking it up. Oh, God, Dalamina sick. I can't look there.
Let me just give me a chance to work it out. I can work it out. Dalamina sick. We could send her next door. No.
Relax, take a deep breath.
Please, may I beg you, Jesus. Do me, I beg you. Me don't want to be foreign, Jesus. Send me back home, please, Jesus. Do me, I beg you.
Put your back.
I the chain me take up here. But D, it look like me take ranch right.
Del.
Yeah?
You did send for me. So we made you a foreign. Me no want you a foreign.
Would you stop the silly crying?
Me not see me a ball. Sure. And look at me before I start over now.
D, I know what you think, you know. I that lady a baby come a baby for somebody and a born me.
And the money you give me, Del. when you rent out your body. Me tell you what
Shut up!
Jesus, I'm with me. I got done ball. This no fear.
When you give your cranium a chance to work this out, let me tell you something. The teacher is pregnant because ice placed sperm in her. She's pregnant for a couple who cannot bear a child. So don't come up here and jump to the wrong conclusion. She didn't give you bun or anything of this sort.
Yeah. Bushman. I know. I hear one thing when you just say start over.
The teacher is pregnant because I placed sperm in her.
Okay. So you could have got a coach say about the fridge, yeah? I never know say about it on the fridge now, they'll you put up things for people.
To a doctor.
Then say the doctor coming out before intro.
See that?
Where? Yes! Come on to my face, you twerp.
You have some respect for my higher education, boy. You are falling out of line precipitously. And it would be best if you decelerate your ignorance on this matter. Because it's succeeding you in a colossal waste of my time. You nincompoop.
Good gosh. Don't get me topsy-turvy. The preposterousness of what you do to my woman is absurd, doctor. As for you, would be flabbergasted to know that what I am contemplating now is not on the vein of pleasant undertakings.
Doctor! You hear me, man? Me man go learn Spanish.
You don't understand nothing when I say. Oh, Lord. Little girl. You want it in English, darling? Ever lick it?
No!
I'm going to lick out your nothing.
Why? Help! Help! Daddy! Jesus!
Empty your mouth!
No!
Instant
You let her be. They appear them appear me.
You think they're your friend?
Wow. Appear them appear me.
Lord Jesus, and then there's somebody I get me. I want so far home. Lay down. Jesus, Miss Devil, stay with me. Stay with me, Devil. Don't look in the light. Come back, Devil. Don't look in the tell me what you get, please.
500,000.
Go on now. $2 million. Yeah, serious work. They say come with complications. 12 foot and big nose.
Okay, $2 million. But do not let your boss or Thelma know about this.
A secret. So we can never say a secret. I never knew it was a secret. I have bad belly. I can't keep down nothing. Come here, my friend. Tap it up to $3 million, please. May I beg you?
$3 million? No.
If she not give her what we're going to do.
Me not dash my belly.
Thank you.
I think you need to take a look at that, you know.
What am I looking for?
I'm quite sure that woman is not me, but that man is you.
What part of that man look like me?
You know, apart from the fact that your name is at the bottom of the video, Granny T. Jones, would you like me to prove that that is you?
Then When Sherlock Holmes.
Is me alone named Ronnie T. Jones? Come with something better than that. If you don't have nothing better, cut your damn bed. You hear me?
So you're telling me that that is not you?
Obviously.
And I don't know my own husband?
Well, obviously.
You need him for a damn idiot? I need an explanation, you know.
What is wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you, woman?
I need an explanation as to why you want a video.
Listen, don't bother me. Don't bother me. Listen, leave me alone.
You need him for an idiot? I need an explanation as to why you're on a video having
Please say I know me. Sorry. Don't come ask me what the explanation. Don't ask me for the explanation. Leave me alone.
So that is not you.
Alright. Okay. It's me, Thelma. You want an explanation? I was starring a show. You feel better now? And I didn't go on here all the way. Okay. See there. Now you where you at now, Thelma? Oh, leave me alone. You hear me? Leave me the hell alone.
But how could you do that to me?
Do what, Thelma?
Well, you see that whore that is on the video? She can have it. I can't believe you would do something like this to me, you know.
Always full of problem, you know. You always come start something so you can't finish. And the other thing too, you know. You can't be coming in here, come call Rose and word like that, you know. Because Rose...
Rose?
Whoa.
As in Rose at your office, Rose?
Whoa.
And you're having an affair with Rose?
Whoa. Thelma, I tell you, there's a logical explanation to all of this, you know. And you know, at this point, you're going to laugh when I explain it to you, you see. No, Thelma, wait, no, man.
Don't touch me! Jenny! Jenny, we have to leave because...
I want you. This is what's up. What up to you? The one is calling you. Only the part I'm a much longer. You see, any of the God dead. Any of the God communication God dead. Oh, any of the I'm God dead. Watch him. This is a joke. Watch my name. Let's tell you, man. God dead. Oh, God dead. Not dead. Thelma! Back it up. Thelma! No linger. Thelma! Take what you say.
Why? Why? Miss Thelma, you want to the ground,
This is about happening. Call the driver, right? Call the driver!
Them secrets are about what? Call the driver. Call the driver. Them secrets are about what? Call the driver. Call the driver. Oh, God. Jesus. Tired. Hello. Oh, hi, Rose. Rose, calm yourself. Rose, it's not as if I left the phone keys or anything like that. But of course, I know your father is a minister of religion, Rose. No, but you're being unfair, man. No, but this is affecting my career more than yours. Look, calm yourself. None. When you call me back. Gee.
My earth! God know my earth! I'm here go out there now, go Baba Will, and people don't know more than me. All my legs up on your skin sharp like bubblegum. So damn bright. Hey, come here. What a way we have a little girl up here, couldn't look at donkey for pretty dirty, man. Even they want him to jump up in your face, now boy, nah, yo. But you may know you're going to lick my back. Una na boots me up.
You know what is your problem? You always come barge into people's houses, you know, and then you run off your mouth about things that you know nothing about.
Remember, see me write the newspaper and I know everything where I want to go to the grapevine. Do I know that? Outside, I'm right. Talk to me.
I assume you're referring to Delcita, right?
It struck a nerve.
Well, for your information, Delcita got paid $6 million to have that child, eh?
Somebody pass my pressure pill. Me not feel so beautiful. That dirty doctor wait until I will her.
What are you referring to?
I know your argument this, sir. And the doctor will come up on the health program man in time.
Oh, okay. But listen to me. I tried to tie up all of my loose ends around the place, you see? So you see that phone you're holding on to?
The phone again?
Yeah, man.
You're coming like a big piece of rabbit by empty stomach.
You know, Jacko, I don't think you realize just how much you're pushing it in.
I know me not push it, me not stop till you go over the cliff.
So you really think you can hold on to that phone forever, don't you?
Me as a driver, I change gear regular. Let me tell you a story, because you don't understand something, you know. Once upon a time, there was a little boy sitting in the riverbank. The alligator said to the little boy, "Little boy, come into the water, let us show you something." The little boy said, "Go on, people, and come at my seat." The alligator laughed and said, "Caca fart in the laptop,
So driver.
Eh?
The alligator laugh and say what?
I don't know how much you get for your flesh, but I don't get $1.5 million for your skin for fix them, but I know.
So, but I don't see the relevance of that story.
Yes, I'm right, man. Figure it out, man. I will erase there, Pandy.
You know, you're right. I am not right, man, and I'm figuring it out, and I figure that I'm tired that you're
Jesus! No! Suppose if I'm drop on my head back and can't remember nothing. I trim them half guard and I come and know me can't fight. That's why I not like fight and quint.
Oh. You love to tell stories, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
I have a story for you. Come in. Come.
About alligator.
Come close. A little close.
And about the shark.
Once upon a time, you see? We're talking about right here in Jamaica, China. We had this very popular politician. No, this politician had a little henchman that went around and did all his dirty deeds, you know? After a while, the henchman started to believe that he was as powerful as the politician. One day, he had an altercation with the politician's wife. And you wouldn't guess what he did.
Remember me just, man.
He boxed the woman down flat on the ground.
No, man, I see what's up with this. What a dirty man like that, man. A woman's strength in my butter should have me box. Oh, me I just flick like a dollar coin, you know.
But you know, I'm not sure exactly where in Dovecat his headstone is in.
Oh, Jesus, somebody flick him up here. Then you have me a cuss dead man after me have me yellow card for Bellevue. What are you, man? Oh.
All right, I would have sent you up here to have a look at it.
King Kong. You see me look like cemetery security? You ever see me walk on the door behind me the pound? I know you try, but it not work. A friend you try friend me. Me a boy me no name bread for my heart.
So, you think I need to try and frighten you?
I never seen a police when you're down here. That simple tell me that you're not bad.
Well, let me tell you something, you see? I wanted to get rid of you. All I would have needed to do would have been that.
Then you're fully, eh? Mommy, can you remember that it's you bring me come here? Eh? I have me a root to you. Sorry, mommy. Sure. For 9 months, you've carried me, growing inside of you. I'm not afraid of you.
You think that I need to send for somebody to deal with you?
Yeah, that was that.
So you think that because I'm a politician and I have to carry myself a certain way, you can take certain steps with me and I can't run about it?
Yep.
Well, let me tell you something. You see. As a matter of fact, dirty boy.
Oh, Jesus, I told me
I can't go down in that.
I told me
You know, Dulcita just delivered a while ago?
Boy or girl?
5 boys and 1 girl.
Thelma, I must tell you here, my job here is finished and I would like to have the rest of my money. Thank you.
What exactly do you mean by your job here is finished? Did you take a look in that room? You need to sort that mess out to come here talking about money.
Mess? What mess are you talking about?
You're so incompetent. I can't believe this.
And you're so blasted ungrateful. I cannot imagine. I cannot even think about it. You sit on your lazy behind and couldn't have 1. And I gave you 6. 6 for heaven's sake. Why don't you go round them up and make a nursery out of them, woman? Let me tell you something. We've been friends for quite a while, you know. So let's not let money get in our way. Cause 1 injection and you're out.
So is that a threat?
Read between the lines, you're a bright woman. Good God. Last ungrateful. Couldn't have 1 and I gave you 6 and you sit there complaining. Good coach.
Miss Thelma, me tired, ma'am. God know me tired. Me can't go no further, ma'am. I 2 breasts, God bless me with another 6 of them around there, you know.
What is it that you want me to do, Dulcita?
Pay me balance and me money make me good old, ma'am. And me 1 and the 6 of them and then crib them not. Me can't take it.
You know, I want you to listen to me, and I want you to listen to me very carefully, see? Out of the 6, you will have to go home with 4, because I can only manage to take 2.
Me if you go home with 4. So when you see me I walk around pregnant, make your name tell me say all that you put in.
Listen now, Dulcita. You're going to have to take those 4 and go home with. Because the money you were getting was sufficient to take care of the children.
Doctor, you know say a 40 a chat though. You know from her to every, you know, say me got 3 picking in your country, 3. And me pick your home, 3, 4 and 3. 4 and 3 hour 8. Me now go with them.
You know, for some reason I thought
I'm going to help you with the
Wait, baby born. Don't you never tell me say baby born?
Daddy Dulcita had 6 kids.
6? Well, at 15 I want to get. So we can go on the 6. But there's one thing I want. Yes, that blasted politician, get rid of that. Tell me. I go upstairs.
You know, I not only refuse to believe that you have the audacity to go and file for a post, you know, tell me. But you give me 6 jackets on top of it. What? None of those children are mine, you know. None of those children are mine.
So what are you doing here? Shirking your responsibilities already?
That's how you can come with. Let me tell you something.
I don't hear anything from you.
You don't know the other side of me yet, you know. But doctor first. Right on time.
Oh.
I need to know what you did with my sperm, you know.
What? Why you even sperm?
I used it, of course, sir.
Use it where? None of those children belong to me.
Have you checked
every flipping one of them?
I will check them now.
Let me tell you something, Mr. Woman. You said that money that you got paid is taxpayers' money. And at some point, someone will have to account for it.
I listen. A pure politician, Mr. Ronnie.
Imagine that.
Hi.
Think about that.
Hardly drop off of the bed. Bruce, pick him up. Push her skin out. Then you find Peter. Come on, count him finger.
Imagine you ask and I deliver. You and your wife are so ungrateful. Go round them up and make a nursery out of them. I'm still ungrateful. You get out of my way. Out of mercy, goodness.
Hey, this is signal, man. You bounce me now. Choker. Oh, Jesus. I hope you shot of vitamin C. What's a big orange?
Me glad say you come.
What? You know it?
Yeah.
Shh. I'm a pet.
Make him move and go here, me man. So, Mr. Jones, since you get the money, you take him buy a jacket.
What are you talking about, Delcy?
It's 6 round there, sir. Don't put your them for sure.
It seems so, Delcy.
You sure?
Yep.
D, you remember the time when me tell us that me I go to New York and we cut the last little piece? You did use condom?
Come on, the people them clean nice house with your dusty body.
It's alright. Don't worry yourself. Me I come out. I call you don't know what happened to you. Don't know say 6 you get round there. Yes, man. Me know your man love play that. Me know when you done go lick your 6.
Honey, you know I'm pregnant?
Oh my God. Oh my God. My daughter pregnant.
Really, Thelma? Oh, God. Thelma, really?
Yes. Hey, Ronnie, me never like you know, but now that me and grandfather, they don't look good together. I'm proud of you. Aye. I feel real good.
You know, Ronnie? Ronnie, I did not say it was yours. You know.
Then Thelma, if it's not mine, then it's yours.
Thelma, how green you?
Hey, man, you block up my shirt with your face, you know. Chop.
Yeah, man, go on. Guilty as charged. You know what you do. Mr. Jones, no worry yourself. No worry yourself. Oh, God, look how they stress out your face. No mind, because me there for you still, you know. Hey, me like you long time, you know. You see, first time me come here and see you, you don't know what me say to myself. It's a pity you already have a wife. Trust me, man. When me tell you, so you see you and Delcita to the world.
Put your hands together and welcome back on stage the players. The doctor. The only Roman doctor in Jamaica. Put your hands together for the doctor, played by Judy Campbell. woman. The woman who would go to any ends to give her husband a child. Welcome on stage, Deborah Jones, played by Shemaine Wisdom. You know, under other circumstances, you know, people would say this gentleman has been around the block. He's been the mama man. He's been the bashment granny. Now he's Max James. Put your hands together. Welcome on stage, Max James, Maxwell, mama man. Rennie Jones is played by Donald Matras Foxy. You know, this gentleman had the 8 stitches, had you rolling all over the halls. Everybody loves him around the place. Put your hands together and welcome the driver, Keith Shabada Ramsey! Well, thank you very much for coming out, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. There's one more to go. The woman with the acid tongue. Put your hands together. Welcome, Del Cita. Played by Angela.